So Sean is having people over, and that means I'm probably gonna leave because I get really anxious, and it's a bunch of guys to watch the Eagles game, and I don't really care about football, and I know that everybody does, and I'm sorry, but I just don't care. I just don't care. Anyways, okay, so I kind of want to do really dramatic makeup because I'm gonna go to my mom's or maybe Jen's. So it's gonna be just a wild night. Let me warn you. Okay, so obviously I already did, hopefully you can tell, I did my base and brows, including some blush instead of bronzer. So now I just want to do eyes and lips, and I got the Kudos for this month. So you get 3 different, they're lip powders. Okay, so there's 3 colors. They're called, so Casual is the pink one, Curvacious is red, and Captivating is like a plum, maroonish plum. So I tried the plum earlier. I don't think I look good with bold lipstick. I don't know why. I don't know if it's because I have a really big mouth. I do. I've like when I see myself, I see like Steven Tyler's mouth from Aerosmith, you know? Like I just think my mouth is huge. Anyways, so I feel like bold lipstick doesn't always look good on me. I wore it earlier to test it out. I Snapchatted it, and then I like washed my face and I didn't realize that they leave behind a little bit of a stain. So I'm not a super fan of the really bold color because that's just not really me. But the fact that it fades to like a stain is pretty cool. So, and I used, of course, the boldest one because I'm weird. And I just thought, like, I don't look good in lipstick, so let me try like the craziest color, and that's what I did. Anyways, okay. And I'm wearing all black to match my soul. That's what I've been saying that a lot lately, I feel like. So I think I'm gonna play with Faithful, which is the light brown, and then Proud, which is the dark brown. So I'm gonna start out in the lighter color, which is Faithful, which when you pack on like this is not very light. For the record. Okay, so now I'm going to blend it with my finger because you know that's how I like to put these on anyway. So the fact that I started with the brush was really me trying to be normal. So now I'm gonna go in with Proud, which is darker, and I'm gonna put this is just a dark brown. I'm gonna put this on the base of the brows and buff it up. I really wanna play darts tonight. I'm not very good. I mean, I'm not horrible, but I'm not great. I should get that on my tombstone. She wasn't horrible. She also wasn't great. I'm gonna mix some of Proud and some of Proud and Faithful and buff them on the lower lash line. Yeah. Okay, and then an empty finger. Yay! Let's do Proper, which is dark brown, and do a really thin line on the upper lash line. Oh, so I've really gotten into Riverdale lately. I really like it. I really like it. And I know the reason I started watching it was because the chick from Twin Peaks is on it. I know I'd mispronounce her name. She's absolutely gorgeous. She's Betty's mom. So I started to watch it, and now I like love that show, and I am a huge fan. So I'm excited for that because it was a nice show to binge because there's only 1.5 seasons, so they're like mid-second season. So it was nice to binge watch something. Like sometimes I'll be like, oh, I'm gonna binge watch, like let me get into Vampire Diaries, and there's like 8 seasons, and every season has like 22 episodes, and that's like days, weeks of your life that you know? So like this was nice because it was only 2 seasons. And I think I like the comic book stuff. Like I liked V for Vendetta, that was based on a comic book, Ghost World. Like I definitely like the quirkier ones. Archie I never, like I heard of, but I don't think I ever actually read that comic. But I do really like the show. And like Skeet Ulrich, I know I'm old, so if you're old school, you'll know like some of these, but like Skeet Ulrich and Luke Perry are also in it. So I am more a fan of the parents of the kids, obviously, than the kids because it's my age group. So these are pretty cool. So this is what they look like. And then, so it is powder, like it's straight up powder. And then you take out, and it's really nice because it's short, so I feel like you have a lot more control. So when I put it on earlier, like I liked this applicator. The only thing is that the color is just super, super vibrant, and I'm just not a like super lip, like I'm not a very vibrant lip color person. So I'm gonna take some of the powder off and put it onto a concealer brush and see if I can just kind of give myself like a little bit of color. So I like this, okay. This is a good plan so far. That's pretty cool. And it is a powder. It's so weird. It feels neat too. I'm gonna use a lip liner to, sorry, I'm just debating what color to use, to try to get, and that, like I only used the teensiest amount, just to get that, like I like this color. It's like a wine color. Okay, so I'll do Posh lip liner. I like this. It really did fade into such a cute color when I had it on early. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this, and let me know if you have any questions below.